Oh, so what's your national
Yeah,
language
noodles. Do
in
you
your
like
country?
pasta?
What is the national language in your country?
Cosa?
Is it Italy? Italian language?
Italiano.
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 Oh,
Oh, pazza io!
I heard about Italian food.
Non ho capito.
Can you repeat?
I like Italian food.
Mi prende di merda.
I like
Yeah! Pasta, pizza, maccheroni.
You are from India?
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh? I
Bangladesh,
like
yeah.
kebab.
So what's your name?
Cioè, non gli prende niente. Giulia.
Gabriele.
Oh, my name is Sushanta Paul, and it's nice to meet you.
Shant Paul.
Shantipol.
Yes.
Shant Paul.
Yeah, you can call me just Paul.
Just Paul.
Just
Sì.
Paul.
Paul, ok.
Paul già ci siamo.
Paul Just.
Paul
Oh, vedi che...
So are you guys a student? Are you study?
Yeah.
Are you study?
I work.
I work
Oh,
too.
okay.
I
So
in Italy we say and leave to agriculture.
actually
Mani levate all'agricoltura.
I don't understand Italian language. I understand English.
Oh, in inglese lo parlo.
Ripetiglielo.
No.
I say in Italy we say ants leave it to the agriculture.
Sorry, I don't understand.